They're jumping.
Oh my god, this is flipping huge, Sean.
Oh shit, good nice. Let me climb over. Okay, and I'm hand lining. I'm hand lining. Yeah, baby, that's how we do it.
The rod this side. Watch the rod under here.
No, no. It's the thing, they want to run. They just want to run. Just want to run away. Woo! Yeah, Aiden, it's a good catch. You want to take a photo before the color fades? I don't know. How much would you sell this at like a market? It would be expensive, right? 300 rand.